Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup using canned diced tomatoes. First, gather your simple ingredients like two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, an onion, and garlic. Next, you'll sauté the aromatics to build a flavorful base. Then, we'll simmer everything to deepen the taste before blending for a smooth, creamy finish. It's a comforting meal that's surprisingly easy to prepare. To begin, make sure you have two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes ready. Finely chop one medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it becomes soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until fragrant. Now pour in the two 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, including their juices, and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. To balance the acidity of the tomatoes, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Season the soup with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the soup has simmered, it's time to blend it. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot until the soup is completely smooth, or carefully transfer it in batches to a regular blender. For an extra creamy texture, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Serve your delicious homemade tomato soup hot, perhaps with a garnish of fresh basil or some crispy croutons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.